In other news, in its ongoing effort to enhance road safety and protect lives, the Lagos State government has launched a major health and safety initiative for commercial drivers across the state. The program aims to benefit at least 10,000 drivers. At the latest stop in Obalende Park, drivers received free eye exams and prescription glasses, as well as substance abuse screening and sensitization from NDLEA officials. Also provided was free enrollment and capturing by the Lagos State Drivers Institute team. Representing the governor, the Senior Special Assistant on Transport and Logistics, Hassan Adekoya, said the initiative aims to promoting responsible driving and ensuring all operators are mentally and visually fit to navigate Lagos roads safely.
This is important because of safety of life and property and also preservation of government infrastructures. The last occurrence that we have, repetition of series of accidents in the state, all across the state by commercial drivers, truck drivers. So, and Mr. Governor has made a personal decision to ensure safety of life. That's why we are here today. And the training of the Lazarus is fully paid by the governor. Why the Lazarus is important? Because you cannot drive in Lagos State without being certified by Lagos State Drivers Institute. And also, it is no longer allowed for a driver to drive in Lagos State while you are on substance. And also, you must have a good vision to drive. That's why Mr. Governor has made it personal to ensure Lagos State government fund the eyeglasses, also the substances by the NDLEA, also the Lazarus certification in 48 hours. It is free for all commercial drivers in Lagos State. After this, if they fail to take this advantage, the Ministry of Transportation will be enforcing law and order. If you don't have a Lazarus in Lagos State, you will be apprehended.
If you look at the team's plus agenda of Mr. Governor, traffic management and control is the first pillar, meaning we want a safe, efficient transportation system where driver can be moving vehicle from point A to B safely without having crashes. This initiative is very, very important. Here we are trying to educate majority of this driver because there is knowledge gap that we are trying to cover up. Majority of driver, instead of them going through driving school to learn how to drive, majority learn on the wheel.
Our message today is that they should comply with Lagos State rules and regulations. This is an advantage for them to get their last year. So with this advantage, if they come up tomorrow that the enforcement is taking place and they come for him, we won't answer them. Because that's why we advise them and enlighten them since morning that this is a free opportunity for them to come and take.
All right, well, good work there, Lagos State. We've often talked about recent accidents in Nigeria and how many of them could be preventable. So it's good to see the government of Lagos State being proactive. You know, it's going to provide free test eye screening, drugs, substance abuse, sensitization, working in collaboration with the NDLEA.
I think it's a good idea, but they are limiting it to the ordinary people, this motor park people. I believe that, in fact, many of the people who drive in Lagos are blind. I believe that many of them even have psychiatric problems. So it should not just be eyeglasses, giving them eyeglasses. They should begin to treat the mentality of the people who drive in Lagos. But, there are larger issues also about alcoholism in the driving sector. NDLEA tried to address that. Some people said, such alcohol should be allowed and all of that. So this is the problem we have. And I guess it's a sign of our underdevelopment. And it's not only motor park touts that should be addressed. Even supposedly educated people also need eyeglasses so that they don't keep destroying our vehicles on the roads on a daily basis. Safety on the road is very important. And I think the basic point is to say that the Lagos State government focusing on it is taking the right direction.
Absolutely. I think the Lagos State government, like I said earlier, has taken the step in the right direction and leading on this. And I hope that other states would also do the same, because we've talked about needless, preventable accidents have happened on the road. There are many stakeholders that would be involved in ensuring, more safety on our roads, including the agencies, FRSC, but also state governments can also take the initiative like this to extend these kinds of outreaches to drivers, especially drivers of publicly mass transit buses in particular, would be very important.